Hello you guys, welcome back to Fine Beauty Bible. I am currently traveling, but I brought these things with me so that I can try something new out. So before vacation, I didn't have time to go get my lashes done because it was booked last minute and there was no appointments left. So I was like, this is the perfect time to try these DIY lash extensions. And this is by the brand KISS. You guys know they're my favorite. Today we're going to be applying the KISS Falscara line. It comes in two different length options. I bought the longer set, and I also bought the special glue that comes with it that makes it last even longer than the normal Falscara. So I'm very skeptical. I don't know how these are going to sit comfortably. They're meant to be applied underneath my lash line instead of on top, how you would wear a normal strip lash. Also, compared to normal lashes, these are a lot thinner, so that's why they say they're comfortable enough to wear underneath your lash line like she has here. It also claims to have no clumps, no smudges, no strips, no damage, and they also say that it's very hard to make a mistake applying them, which is reassuring, but let's see. So the first step is to brush a light coat of the bond onto your natural lashes. And then you use the applicator here. It's like a specially shaped tweezer. I also have my own pair here, but I am going to use the ones that come with it, just so that if you guys buy this same set, you're able to know whether or not everything that comes with it is helpful. Then it says pick up a wisp from the middle outer end of the lash and place it underneath the base of your natural lashes, but slightly away from your waterline. So not too close to the point where when you blink, you'll feel it scraping on your eyes. Last step is to seal the deal. So that is just, it says to dab a thin coat of seal underneath the lashes. And that's like the final touch. Just hold them in place so that they actually last a while. It also says optional, when using the overnighter for an extended wear, apply an additional line underneath the wisp just so that it has the maximum strength. So I think that's the one I'm gonna do because I do want it to last a while. All right, so time to try it. The KISS Falscara. I'm gonna take out all of my little supplies. Okay, following the steps. First step is the bond. It comes in a little mascara wand like this. Applying the bond. I'm making sure I coat every single lash. I see a little bit of mess there at the top because, what is that about? I'll just wipe that off later. It comes with short, medium, and longer ones. I'm definitely gonna do the longer ones on my outer line, and then I'll do a few tiny ones, but usually even when I do strip lashes, I don't put any, like from this part of my eye and inwards. So with these, I'll probably just stop them right there, because that's all I like to feel on my eyes. It says for maximum control to clip it towards the middle outer, and then put it underneath my lash line. That was really easy. That actually was not bad. All right, one more on this side and then I'll go to the medium size. Uh-oh. Woo! How do I, it's weird doing this side. I guess I'll hold it with my left hand. That one's not on there as comfortably. That first one was so easy. Oh no, that ain't in the right place at all. Do I need to put more bond? Oh, I dropped one. This lash is like not sticking. I guess I'll brush more bond on where I'm trying to get it. Will it stick now? It's really hard to do your... It's very hard to do your eye that's not on your dominant side because the hand motion is strange. This one is like sticking to the tweezers more than my lash line. Finally! Sheesh. Now let me try to attach the short ones. Oh, whoa. Oh, I just took two off. I pinched too hard and took two of them off. Just when I thought I was getting on the road with it. If these don't last at least 2 days, I'm gonna be so mad because they take more time than a strip lash for sure. What is the issue? I think I need to like maybe only apply the bond one little tiny section at a time and then just paste them on. Like bond, lash, bond, lash. This lash is not sticking. It's sticking to the tweezers more. Okay, got it. Jeez. That's what I would recommend. Go bond, lash, section by section. Do not try to do all the bond painted on like mascara and then put the lashes on because that was aggravating. All right, short lashes now, just in the corner here. And that's another thing. I guess when you apply it, try not to get any of the bond that's painted onto your lashes on the tweezers, because then the lash you're trying to apply is not gonna leave the tweezer. It's just gonna stick on there. Okay, I'm really trying my hardest. I do see a difference. It's really cute looking. All right, let me try to get one more corner lash on this side. Just gonna take a wipe now and wipe off this extra bond, I think. Just because it's bothering me up here. Yeah. I feel like the glue is making my lashes stick to my bottom lashes. Like, you know when you go and get actual lash extensions and they put the things underneath here? I'm pretty sure that's so that your bottom lashes don't start getting stuck to the top. But with this at home, that's not an option. This is black too? Is this black too? Oh gosh, I have to be really careful applying this seal then. Okay, applying the seal to the bottom lash. Okay, I applied the overnight seal. Luckily, my eyes aren't burning, which I'm happy about because I was afraid that that was going to be an issue. Okay, so final opinion. I think I'm definitely going to use these more often. I wish they were longer a little bit to give that real lash extension look. But if you have no lashes at all like I do, then you will notice a bit of a difference. So I think they look really pretty. They look really cute. I think that was a lot easier than going to actually get lash extensions because, you know, that's a 2-hour process. You're laying there on the bed. And this only took me about 15 minutes to do by myself. So I'd say it's definitely faster. I will say there's a little bit of a sticky feeling on my eyes right now that I think will go away later in the day. So there is more residue left over than when you get lash extensions. But as far as wear time, we'll see if this will actually last me overnight or if they'll start falling out by the end of the day. I will update you. 2 lashes gone. Hey y'all, so you guys saw how the lashes wore. They took forever to apply and they did come off quite easily because all I did was get a massage. That little clip you saw was during my trip to Miami. All I did was get a massage, and when I got up from the table, my lashes were like stuck together and then 4 of them were laying on the bed. So, not my favorite. But I do like how natural they look when they are done right. So I can't say that I hate them. I think I would still try them again. But I would, number 1, probably just put them on top of my lash line. Number 2, look for some glue that is easier to use, doesn't require a sealer. Probably just some nice strong glue that I know will last me all day. And also I won't have such high hopes for it lasting me multiple days. Because I think that was another thing I did wrong with these. Nothing DIY is going to be something you can wear all week. It's just, I don't see it happening. Or if all else fails, I will just look for a nice long strip lash, not individual pieces, and I'll use that because it's lightweight and they only take less than 3 minutes to apply and it's not like a whole project, you know? And there are still some strip lashes that look as natural as your own lashes, but they're just, nothing's gonna hit, I think, the way lash extensions do because they're easy. Once they're done, they're done. So yeah, it's either I'll try these again with a different method or I'll just look for a lightweight strip lash, or I will stick to good old non-DIY lash extensions. So yeah, that's how I feel about those. Gonna try them again, just not in that
way.
And that is my first impression of the KISS Falscara. I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know if you guys try it for yourself. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will catch you next week for another episode of Brit's Recent Beauty, and next month for a whole new season of Fine Beauty Bible. Bye!